Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy with a T, with an E, and a 3. We back another video today, man. We got no reaction video, man. You already know what time it is. Just cause December over with, we done with 15 videos on me. We're gonna stop. We're gonna keep going for real. So, we're gonna get right to it, man. Building a Corvette in 10 minutes. C6. Either got you one to get you one. Y'all better get you one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. We finna get right into it. We on the road to 15K. Let's do it.
Build my Corvette in 10 minutes.
This is the car. We're recording until he comes. Get a quick glance at it. So,
by the way, the 2008 Chevy Corvette C6, y'all know that's the one that come with the 6.2 liter, and not the 5.7, and it's at what, it's at 420, I think. Yeah.
be a quick transaction. Yeah, I love this red.
Damn, that shit sounds good.
And if you guys can see, got a transparent roof.
Transparent roof. Hold up. That's nice. Damn, that's nice.
You guys can see, got a transparent roof. Second. Hit it.
Oh,
This is going.
that sounds crazy. That sounds crazy. My fault. I was researching it. It came with a 6 liter in 2000. Like when it first came out, 2005, it came with a 6 liter. Then they put that 6.2 in there. All right, but I just want to make sure because y'all like the fact checking Nick, but I fact checked myself anyway. Damn, bro, I love the way a C6 Corvette sound, bro. Shit.
To go ahead and be the before. So. Smoked. Well, that is what it looks like blinking. We got the taillights in.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't
Who is this, Young Jeezy?
And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go another.
Okay, now that actually looks fantastic. I love the smoke. Like, dang, y'all finna make me buy a Corvette, bro. Shit.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Better see with the
American Muscle.
Is cracked. I guess the previous owner.
What the? That's crazy.
Is cracked. I guess the previous owner. I got this like the spoiler, but it's actually primed. Looks good.
right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
I could tell it's gonna be a tastefully modified Corvette C6. Very tasteful.
I never ran, said no, man, I still go.
Wait a minute. We're just gonna wait a minute.
I never ran, said no, man, I still go.
We're just gonna not look at this S555 and then this beautiful wide body S197. Is that a GT500? I don't know. I can't tell. I can't see enough fenders, but how you gonna wide body a wide body Mustang? First of all, them S197s, they technically came wide body. Like their fenders came out from the body and shit. It looked fantastic. But if you the wide body is insane. I don't think it's his, but shit, I need to see what that car talking about.
We are installing that.
Almost crashed. Damn, that sounds good. Damn, that sounds good. Oh, see, you almost lost it. Oh, you just gotta love American muscle, bro. Like, look at this shit. Oh, just look at.
On spoiler wicker bill.
Fire.
Morimoto headlights. These are going to be game changer. We got the car jacked up, took the wheels off.
Wait a minute.
Changer. We got the car jacked up, took the wheels off.
Fun fact that you didn't know, you have to open up the hood and the trunk whenever you lift up a Corvette, because if not, the whole axle will snap, like the whole chassis will just snap in half. It's something like that. Like, you gotta have at least the trunk or hood open to jack up the car. If not, the car is gonna snap in half. Or some shit like that. Y'all, if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. If not, I want to do some more research on it, but let me know if it's something like that, like the whole, like something to snap or chassis to snap because it's like fiberglass or whatever. But yeah, that's nice. I'm about to say, the only thing I didn't like about the C6 Corvettes, well, back in the day when they first came out, those headlights was nice and new, but like now, like, those are the only complaints I have for the C6 is the headlights, and boom, he fixed it. Damn, that's good.
Fenders are finally painted, and I will get right back to you guys when it's on. And let's go ahead and put the fenders on.
What's wrong with the fender?
After. So we have the rear on. It fit perfectly. Camshaft that I got is actually a custom grind cam.
Nigga for the cam, these motherfuckers. Actually, I have no idea how the cam or how cams work. I know what the cams are, but I've never seen anybody actually install cams. So hopefully they show it for real. Look like we finna get a little sneak peek for you. Hit that bitch chop. I get it's a Corvette video, but who has this insane S197? Am I the only one that's curious? Not because I'm 100% biased, but god damn, that shit is hard. That's fine.
That's how we feel.
I'll do the same shit.
And this is the hood right here. We got the custom vents on the side.
Fire.
We got one vent here. We got the vent over here. And then to top it all off, got like a cowl hood right in the middle. So it raises up just a little bit.
Painted black. Painted black, wrapping carbon fiber. I'm sorry. I'm an advocate fan of wrapping the carbon fiber. I'm sorry, I am. The reds don't match, but I don't know, it works though. Like, the reds don't match the exact paint color, but it fucking works. It makes it look good. What the hell is on? What the hell is on that boy head? That boy got a mop for real. UCF versus Central Florida. What? Hold up. Niggas is riding. Corvette owners, bro, are they're the wildest people ever, bro. Corvette owners are like living in Atlanta, bro. Just random. It just this nigga's riding around with the fattest supercharger I've ever seen in my life. Just spitting fucking 7 feet flames coming out the back of his shit and just casually driving on that fucking street.
So we got the NGW shifter installed. I'm ready to take off like that. Simple enough. That bottom steering wheel, red stitching, red racing stripe on top. Installs that we've done on this car.
Ow!
What was that?
Seat.
What'd you sit on?
Dude, I tore my pants, bro.
Boom. That is a wrap. That red stitching though is nice. I'm finally getting this thing wrapped. Look at the Corvette. This is what it looks like before. Damn, we're done.
The brakes, man. Brembos, man.
So yeah, I'm just happy that it's all one color. The wrap is complete. You can see the flakes, spoiler on. We put the diffuser back on, and
Don't piss me off. He wrapped this car the same color. You wrapped your car the same color as the people that do that piss me off. Only because, like, bro, you're finna wrap your car. You're finna wrap your whole car mostly. I don't know if he did the whole thing since he had some colors. Well, he did. You're finna wrap your whole car. Why not choose a different color? I mean, I understand it's your car. It looks fantastic. Don't get me wrong. It looks fantastic. But it's like, if you're going to go through all that money to get your car wrapped, you might as well go different color. He could have went a slighter different red. Like, if he would like red, he could have went lighter red or darker red. You know what I'm saying?
and we put the taillights back in, so it's actually almost complete. I'd say it's like 98% complete. We got a little something for the Corvette, and it is right there.
Damn, he lowered that bit up.
Exactly like how my old one was, but it didn't have the reverse lights, which that's a huge plus.
Nice.
Let's head on over to the wrap shop and let's get that front bumper wrapped to look insane. I love it. I love it. I love it. Well, we got the chin spoiler on.
This nigga car still looks. You got a new Ford F-150. You got a Lexus RC back there.
Got the head gaskets right here.
Definitely Florida. It's definitely Florida.
Degree thermostat, and we got the lifter trays, and we got the lifters themselves.
Goals. Oh my gosh, is that his wife? Goals. But bro, working inside your own engine, bro, is different. That's a different type of nigga right there.
And it is tight. Now we're done. Got all the plugs plugged in. All right, here we go.
That's how you build a car. That's how you build a car. That's how you build a Corvette. That, my friends, is how you build a beautiful C6 Corvette. I'll be damned. That was fantastic. Anyway, that was the video. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. It is January 2nd. It is the second day of the year. We did good. December, 15 videos in one. I dropped more videos in 1 month than I did in probably the last 6 months on YouTube, which is crazy. So we're gonna keep that momentum going up, and we up all 2024. We getting monetized, and we getting that I don't even know what to say, bro. That's fire, man. C6 Corvettes, I definitely love C6 Corvette. I definitely want me a Corvette in the future, man. But me personally, you know what I'm saying, way I'm trying to set up my financials, you might have to get a C5. That 5.7 liter still top though. You know what I'm saying? Don't even get it confused. But that's neither here or there. But it is everywhere. Anyway, yeah, man, that's it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Appreciate y'all for sticking by and you made it to the end. Tell me that I made it to the end. We locked in to win. At the end of the day, I got you one to get you one. You ain't got you one, you better get you one. Cut down, get me one. If I get mine before you get yours, I'ma tear the city up free.